Hi, hello council and government. Today is 25th of May afternoon and I'm compelled to make another video due to tens and hundreds of complaints I get from WhatsApps and everything asking me to make another video of this. Okay, here's the question. When you close this small roundabout here in front of the dry market, do you have a good reason for it? Has any engineer made a traffic study on this? Or do you just close it and carry out what we call in Penampang as cuba-cuba try kinam-kinam, is it? You try this, and if it didn't work, you try it again, and then you wait for people's complaint and you try this again. I mean, you do a study, but simple study with common sense. All you need in this bloody thing is common sense. See, there's a roundabout there, quite a standard. Just at the end there, we call it Sabak Credit roundabout. Okay, there's a roundabout there, quite reasonable size. This is another road junction which is act like a roundabout. See, problem is, when you close this part, you are adding more traffic jams along here, and this is a tamu ground, and normally Wednesday, Thursday you will get a great jam, except today nobody turned up. I think they're fed up because today is a Kamatan, so nobody turned up. When there's a tamu day, today, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, this area will always be jam. Now you are adding more to the jam because cars that's coming from that roundabout and wanting to go into the Sabak Credit Road, into this row of parking area. Okay, this leads to the Chingfa and Dragon restaurant and a lot of restaurant here. If you want to go and park there, you have to go and make a long way from the roundabout, drive along this road. Okay, now see, it's already jamming here. Why is it jamming? You know why? Because the roundabout you got there, next to that public library, here's a public library. Let me zoom on it. There's your public library. And you made a new small roundabout there, very small. I can safely say that the size of the roundabout at the end of this road, I think your wife's middle is bigger, okay? The hole in the middle is bigger than your roundabout. Now look, it's jamming already. Because you're sending lots of this car. Here's a guy now waiting. And there's a queue now forming. You're sending every car to the end of the small roundabout near the library. What for? Any traffic engineers in your department who make a study on this? Here we go. In a few minutes time. So all the traffic, at least you reduce the traffic going, unnecessary reducing the traffic going to that small roundabout. You can just open this part. Maybe you can try closing the other end here, but just open this part so they can turn right into this lane immediately, instead of running around to that distant roundabout, which is the size smaller than your wife's middle, okay? Marala kaum wanita ni. But that's what your roundabout there. I'm not going to go there because everybody knows there's a small artificial roundabout there. And every traffic is converging on a tiny roundabout near the library and to Chua Kasing supermarket. You people have no qualification of how to do traffic study in this town. Come on, council. Employ more qualified people. Now look at this. Just 3:30 and now you have a long queue. So anybody who wants to enter this lane, into this lane here, maybe 10% of vehicle like this guy want to enter. You go around and around Donggongon, first you are increasing the movement of the car. Come on, guys. Are you people qualified to run this government? I dare challenge you. What is the council for? At least, I didn't see you people close this road and go out and observe the effects of it. You've been closing this, testing this, experimenting with this closure for how much? 1 week? Any result? Any feedback? Or you're just waiting for people to complain? Well, this is what this video is all about. I think it's time for a lot of you guys to be sacked and retired and replaced with some young brainy people to improve this town. It's unbelievable. Okay? I hope you got ears to listen, and even senior public servants have been sending me messages to make another of these videos. So one fine day, some angry motorist will give this plastic thing of yours or a big kick in the ass.